Our next guest is working hard to make a difference in the field of medical research. Medlab Clinical is a medical research and development facility researching and formulating novel biotherapeutics to improve health outcomes in early to moderate stage chronic diseases, such as chronic kidney disease and prediabetes obesity. Sean Hall is CEO of Medlab Clinical, and he joins us now. Dr. Hall, welcome.
Thank you very much for having me.
Why does Medlab Clinical focus on chronic diseases?
When you look at Western culture, chronic diseases are on the rise. The amount of patients that are attributed to the disease and the cost to community has really made a hole in what research needs to be done to support doctors at a clinical level. So when you move into this biotech space and you want to create an influence, your choices get limited into you do something that other people are already invested in, or you stand out from the crowd and you look at what the next event horizon is and you start preparing for that. And we chose chronic diseases. It's an area that we've focused on because of both social and political events.
So tell us about nanotechnology. What are you developing, and why is its use in medicine important?
This has been the lifeblood of the company. We've had to look at new ways to deliver an API, so an active pharmaceutical compound. And we've translated this into nutraceuticals as well. The purpose is quantified, standard dose, smaller dosage platform. So instead of giving 10 mg or 20 mg of an active, we're giving 2 or 3 mg straight into the bloodstream through the oral mucosal or the nasal mucosal. Quicker life in the patient, less side effects, and at the end of the day, we're hoping for greater patient compliance.
I understand you've had R&D commercialized and nutraceuticals as well. Tell us about that.
We use commercializing in nutraceuticals to try and bridge some of the cash burn that is exposed in research into pharma agents. And a couple of the compounds we're using, D3s, B12s, coenzyme Q10s, were valid for use of nanocell and nutraceutical lines. Our big ticket items, though, are in rebuilding new statins, new antibiotics, and new immunosuppressives through the nanotechnology line.
There's more at medlab.co.